If you pray to God with all your heart, dropping the sorrow, which simply means hanging on to the past, then whatever you desire will be given to you. In your true nature, you are free the moment you see it is not in you. If you have a pain, observe it is happening in you in the body. If there is tightness or joy in your mind, observe that it is tight, sad, unhappy or happy. Just observe that you are not enjoying it is happening. Just observe that you are not enjoying and it is happening. Look at the events come pass and go according to their own law of karma. Both pleasant and unpleasant events come and pass through you. If too many desires come into your mind or too much restlessness and agitation, then food, atmosphere and association have been the cause. If even the slightest desire to be free has arisen in you, you should pat on your back. You are very lucky. Billions of lives in this planet doesn't have this blessing. They do not even live. They exist, die and dissolve. They are not bored. Even if they are bored about something very small. A little change can make them very comfortable again. So, blessed are those who get bored. Your needs are fully taken care of. You are being loved very dearly. This reminder softens you, brings about miracles around you, and changes your life. This reminder brings plenitude. There is nothing lacking for you, and that is the complete. Do not hurt anyone with your speech, for the divine dwells in every heart. When you can feel, I am not the doer, when this confidence, this faith dawns on you, that is nectar. With that, you will become happy. When you see events as just happenings rather than a doings, you are liberated right away. When you can see the entire event as fleeting impositions or happenings and you remain untouched by them, then you are happy. Joy springs out of you like a fountain. That is your very nature. Clinging on to the past, to your likes and dislikes, you have bolted the fountain of joy. Deep inside you, observe the intense sensation which creates pain. It flips over and that very sensation assumes a different dimension. Then you see that it's just blissful. Peace is your very nature. Peace is your innate nature. It cannot go away from you. That's why it means so much to be at peace with oneself. We feel that we want to be at peace with ourselves. You are peace. Do not be unhappy. There is no need to be unhappy or sad about your body and the things happening in your mind, about people, situations, events, and circumstances around you. Then, What can you be unhappy about? Can you be? Is there anything to be unhappy about? Is it? Sughi Bhava. It's an order as well as blessing.